So hi guys, if you want the best gist in town, contact Wasborn TV, entertainment and more. FARCADI got locked down.
To do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wasborn TV, and get all the latest in the world of entertainment. Wasborn TV, stay connected.
Obi Tom Piota crop pie. Yes, pure.
It's they are not pie anything.
Oh, I tried no moment, yo. I tried to say, oh, and
They're saying.
Oh, I say, oh, manager,
Manager Bacho join your stage, why?
David, but price is the answer. One cast, but we are serious. I would have made my surprise.
Okay, it's a range from saying to saying.
How TV is that?
They'll be way exclusive.
Oh, like, I'm meant to be in car, but by so you're ready.
Okay, it's no, so be per se.
Now you are talking business. You go to Instagram, HISENSE, Miss J. You contact him, he will put you through the procedures and you can link up.
Okay. About to say now only open so wide. But you should
I wasn't married. That's why everything you say on social media they take it so personal. I said somebody is off the market. It was my sister's wedding. And I took a picture and they said
why really motivated you to do that?
It was Miss J. On our video, no. So much yet to say FARCADI so that was it. So not everything that you see on social media, you take it so personal.
You said at your HISENSE, like.
I know yes, I'm running. And I was like, I said to buy a bonnet some money to me try what some brand
any at your HISENSE. Now why at your HISENSE? You want that brand?
My promo my HISENSE now to say who and one of my quality. So affordable.
Okay, maybe lastly, no say corona ne buy no na man for complaining.
Our cheton.
Yes.
Oh, when in Bria, when you come out on your baby that. What is on the trouble?
Okay, it is during corona ni na na still no market.
Hey, now corona na check na na check what and I check. I try na bowa.
Okay. Oh, man, come.
I'm done. So hi guys, if you want the best gist in town, contact Wasborn TV, entertainment and more. FARCADI got locked down.
To do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wasborn TV, and get all the latest in the world of entertainment. Wasborn TV, stay connected.